Yeah.
So, well, guys, today we are going to do chain speaking. Chain speaking is such a program doing which you can really have a great fluency, everyone. And if you want, you can put some advanced vocabularies and advanced structures as well in order to decorate your story. So, here, after speaking some sentences, you can transfer this story to anybody else in the group. So, everybody has to focus, their chance can come anytime. So let's get started. I am going to start a story. I will transfer this to Ankit, and Ankit, after that, you can transfer to anybody else. Okay? So I'm going to begin it.
Right, sir.
Fine. So yesterday around 6 o'clock, I was in my room and I felt like taking a cup of tea. But I decided not to make tea in my kitchen. Instead, I wanted to go out and have a cup of tea at any kind of stall where I could see different people and enjoy the weather as well. So I went to the nearby tea stall and I was at my surprise to see that the tea maker was not a man. The tea maker was a gorgeous girl. And I really got very much excited and drawn towards her and decided to sit there as long as I want. Then Ankit.
Then I asked the tea maker to make a cup of tea, and she said, "Okay, sir, what kind of tea would you like?" So I told her that I would like to have masala tea, strong tea. So she said, "Okay," and she started making tea. And after preparing tea, when it was presented to me, I drank it, and tea was very tasty. And thereafter, I thought that I should try to talk to her. And then I started my conversation with the girl. Then, mashallah.
मशाल आप
It
अंकित तो
was
टर्न
a
ऑफ योर
nice
ऑडियो
conversation.
टर्न ऑफ योर ऑडियो हर बंदा बोलने के बाद ऑडियो टर्न ऑफ कर ले
Okay, it was a nice conversation. When I started talking with her, I realized that she's educated. So I was surprised if she had educated, why would he had done this work? So I asked her why you are doing this work. She told me that I my family background is too poor and I studied myself at home. So I told him I said to him, if you need any kind of help regarding financial, I would like to help you, Richa.
रिचा
Okay. After that, I told that girl, you are so intelligent, you are uneducated, but if you want any kind of financial help and educational help, you can call me. This is my number. You take my number and you can call me every time. After that, I'm get back my home and I told this situation to my father. Then my father said, "You are doing a good job. Uh, if you want to help that girl, why don't you suggest to join the Chandan sir classes? He's very educated and talented sir. So if you want to help that girl, so you can go and suggest her to join the Chandan sir classes. After that, Rajni, over to you.
एंड वेरी
Okay.
रिचा रिचा
And
इट वाज वेरी गुड
then,
रिचा वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा आपने बोला रजनी कम ऑन
Thank you, sir.
okay. After next day, I again went to the tea stall and I talked to her. Ria, actually her name was Ria. And I told her, Ria, why are you not join a Chandan Singh class? He is a very best teacher to help to improving your English. Then he said to me, actually I want to join, but I have no money. So I told her, ki, okay, fine. I gave you, but you should learn hardly. So he said, okay, fine, Didi. Then next day I called to Chandan sir and I told whole story. He said, this is the girl and she was very needy, but she want to do something in her life. So Chandan sir said, okay, fine. First we me, then Aman.
Aman.
Thanks.
Aman, your audio is off. Come on.
Okay, sir, are you getting my voice?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Due to network issue, that stopped. Sir, could you repeat last line?
ओके शी रजनी कहाँ पे था कि आपने उसकी मदद की ना, आपने उसको पैसे दिए कुछ? रजनी?
Sorry, I gave the money and I wrote down the Chandan Singh sir phone number.
ओके.
Okay. After that, I told her to join the classes. I had talked with Chandan sir. You can go and join the class. After that, my friend called me, and they called me for playing cricket. So I went to the ground, and we started playing cricket. We were 12 members there, so we divided the team as 6 members each. 6 members each on the team. So then we, after playing cricket, we all went to that shop and started taking tea, and everyone liked that tea, so they also suggested her to start a business of tea. And by improving English, you can also take your business as a uh,
To high level. To high level.
to high level as you want. So first improve your English, then start your business growing, and then big two.
Then that girl said, I will do my best. I will join the Chandar sir class. But that my I am audible, sir.
Yeah, yeah, you are audible, but so much shrill.
Okay.
Voice is shrill. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Then uh, then I also joined with that girls. I saw she is very eager to learn English. That's why I wanted to join class with them, and she had a lot of talent, a lot of hidden talent, but they didn't get time to reveal that talent and that thing, and that is the time she can reveal his hidden talent, and he spoke very well in the class, and I was very impressed. And then Ankit sir.
Then Ria started learning English, and to my utter surprise, she was fluent in English within 3 months. And Chandan sir and I and everybody else appreciated her for her hard work. And she said that now she wanted a job. She asked me that Ankit, can you help me get a job? Now I said, okay, I'll try to help you out. And I had a conversation with my friend, and thereafter I was able to arrange a good job for her in call center. So she started going to the call center, and in the meantime, she also kept on learning English. Then, Aman.
Okay.
No.
And wait, wait.
Af-
Let me add something. So she started working in the call center, and what exactly happened while she was working in the call center? There was a supervisor, and that supervisor was absolutely handsome. And whenever she wanted to transfer any call, she always used to transfer the call to the supervisor. And by doing this for a couple of days at a stretch, what exactly happened? They both started, they had a kind of crush for each other. So one day when that girl was going to her home, suddenly the supervisor asked her that he would like to offer her a lift. Then Aman, then वहां से करो, लिफ्ट देगा.
yeah. Okay, sir. Then she agreed and she said, yes, I would like. Then they both were, the supervisor lifted her
Offered
and
means offered her lift.
offered her lift. After reaching home, she offered supervisor to take tea. After taking tea, supervisor also said your tea is awesome. Then you should improve. You should open your business of tea. Then, then she said, I do not have enough money, so I can't. And then supervisor said, I will give you money. You should open the business. Then uh, Ria he started his business,
Her
and
business.
her business, and she has grown up. She has grown up his business.
Means her business flourished.
Her
Flourished.
business flourished,
Okay, then
and
Richa.
Richa.
She started her business and business was flourishing day by day. Richa.
सर क्या मैं थोड़ा सा पीछे करके बोल सकती हूँ?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. When his supervisor said to her, why don't you start your own business? Then Ria said, I have no money and I have not lots of experience to start my own business because business wants lots of experience, money, and support also. But I have nothing. Then supervisor said to her, I will give you money and I want to share my experience with you and I am always with you. So why don't you try to your own business? Because you are very amazing. You have your hand in magic. You make good tea and you have lots of potential to do your own business. So why don't you start? I will help you. After that, Ria convincing with her voice and
Okay, Ria
she ready to.
got convinced.
Okay. Ria got convinced with her voice and with his voice, and she decided to start her own business. Over to you, Rajni.
Okay, Rajni.
Uh, then Ria opened her coffee shop, and it's named Ria Coffee Shop. And it was running very successfully. And one day that Ankit again came to her and saw this is a Ria coffee shop. He's surprised. And then Ankit told the Ria, hi Ria, how are you? So Ria said, okay, I'm fine, Ankit, you tell. I'm good. And then Ankit said, I'm amazed. You are in this business again? Then he told whole story to Ankit. And then Ankit realized, yes, you are right, because you are making a good tea. Still, you are making a good tea. Then he said, okay, fine. Then then Ankit came back to his home. Now, Aman. Mashal. Sorry, Mashal.
Mashal.
Ankit starts thinking about thinking about that girl. Ankit was surprised to open a Ria shop in a posh area. Another day, Ankit again went to that shop and asked Ria, say how did you get this shop? Because I know you had a card in past, and you are working in a coffee shop. It's your own coffee shop. Son, Ria said to Ankit, help was taken by my friend. I was working after learn English. I went to a job, and at there was a supervisor, and I after a few months later he was my good friend, and he helped me for financially and also supports me. So this is not only my coffee shop, my friend is also a partner of this coffee shop. So then Ankit realized that he one and also Riaz said to Ankit in English language. So Ankit was very surprised. Riaz speaks very well. So Ankit was surprised and came back to office again. Then Ankit.
Okay.
Then I was very impressed with Ria and used to talk to her every night for half an hour. In the meantime, Ria came quite close to her boss, and one day her boss proposed her, to which she accepted. And their relationship was going strong. And I started to like Ria also. Ria. So one day I thought that I should go and propose her. So to her coffee shop with a bouquet in my hand. I was shocked to see that she was with her boss in a relationship. So then Richa.
रिचा, आप यहाँ पर अंकित और ऐसे करके बोल सकती कि अंकित वेंट देयर विद बुके, ऐसे करके सुनाई.
Okay. After that, Ankit went to Ria with beautiful bouquet, but Ria has has already with a guy. This guy, okay, had a guy. This is this is his supervisor, and they are dating each other a long time, but Ankit didn't know about it. When Ankit went to Ria closed. Ankit was shocked. Why Ria? Sorry. Bittu, over to you, Bittu.
Bittu.
Yeah, then Ankit was surprised. He didn't accept that thing for Ria, and Ria realized that give supervisor give me everything. We should never hurt him. And Ankit also thought that thing. I should help Ria a lot, but they didn't accept me. And after that. Ankit met for a week, and Ria told all the story. Ankit, I, that time I was little confused. What should I do, or what should I not do? And then Ankit also understood all the thing. What said Ria? Ria also right, and Ankit also right, but. Ria have only one option. They can choose supervisor, and they live happily life now. Then
Let me put something. When Ankit realized that now Ria no longer gives him any signal, there is no attraction left. So Ankit decided to start a business, and he determined, he had a great perseverance to be successful and to go to the zenith of his success. He started a business, he got engrossed totally in the business, and after a couple of years, Ankit was an affluent person, a great business tycoon. Then Rajni, then.
Okay. Then again, one day they met each other, and then Ria realized that I think he had a mistake
She had done a mistake.
because he had done a mistake because the supervisor was not good for her. They always keeping so many blames on her, and then she realized why I not choose Ankit, because Ankit was a good friend. Ankit understands each and everything to Ria. He helped so many times, but it's too late. It was too late. When then Ankit saw the Ria, and he happily to see her. Hi Ria, how are you? Then Ria said, yes, I'm fine. But Ankit realized something she is not happy.
Okay. Now over to Ankit. Ankit, you have to just wrap it up. Okay, it's last. Wrap it up.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
Ankit.
Ria dished her boyfriend or boss, and this time around she proposed Ankit that Ankit, please accept me. It was my mistake not to accept you that time. But since Ankit had become a big business tycoon by that time, and Ankit realized that if that girl can leave her, then it's quite possible that she would also leave me in my lead. So I rejected her proposal and I said that no, we can be good friends only, and I'm not interested in any kind of relationship with you. And I would like to focus on my business. I focused on my business, and the story ends.
Thank you guys. So it was chain speaking program, and let me tell you, I have made the feedback of some of the students like Rajni and Mashal and Richa. See, Rajni, you said, why are you not join Chandan classes or whatever Chandan sir classes? So why are you not join is wrong English. Instead, it should have been
I
it should have been, why don't you join? तुम join क्यों नहीं करती हो? Why don't you join? So don't is the correct one. आपके मुंह से निकल के why are you not join? तो
not joined.
वाई डोंट
Yes,
यू
sir.
ज्वाइन होना चाहिए. फिर आपने बोला आई टोल्ड हर की, तो की आपका अब तक छूटा नहीं है, तो की पर आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. और की मशाल का भी की आता है. ओके. आपने बोला यू शुड लर्न हार्डली, एक आपने कहा था, तो
Yes,
हार्डली तो
sir. Can you repeat?
यू शुड लर्न हार्डली.
हाँ, that sentence I was saying, sir, कि मतलब दिल से
हाँ,
हार्ट मतलब
तो हार्डली था कि हार्टली था, क्या था वो?
तो वो हार्डली नहीं था सर, वो हार्ट मतलब वो वाला दिल से वाला था कि दिल से लर्न करना है.
ओके ओके ओके, फाइन. शी वांट टू समथिंग, एक तो शी वांट्स होता है, पास्ट होगा तो शी
Yes, sir.
वांटेड होगा, शी वांटेड होगा, तो ये माइनर मिस्टेक्स. तो फिर आपने बोला रिया रियलाइज्ड की, वो आपका की फिर आया. रिया ने ये सोचा कि वाई आई नॉट चूज अंकित, मैं अंकित को क्यों नहीं चूज कर लूं. तो यहां पर वाई आई नॉट चूज गलत है, वाई शुडंट आई चूज, ये ज्यादा सूट करेगा ना. वाई शुडंट आई चूज अंकित.
ओके सर.
अंकित सॉ द रिया, द रिया कैसे हो सकता है? मैं बार बार कहता हूं द राम नहीं होगा, द रिया नहीं होगा, ये सब
Yes.
इसमें नहीं आएगा. तो ये मिस्टेक्स. मशाल एक कंडीशनल शुरू में बोल रहा था ये कि इफ शी हैड एजुकेटेड, तो वह कुछ ऐसे करके बोलना चाह रहा था. ये मैंने पूरा तो नोट नहीं किया बट वो गलत था. एक था कि आफ्टर लर्न इंग्लिश बोला, लर्निंग होता. आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स लेटर बोला, तो आफ्टर और लेटर दोनों एक साथ कैसे आ सकता है? या तो फ्यू मंथ्स लेटर होगा या आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स होगा, तो आफ्टर लेटर का इशू है. ओके. रिचा ने बोला आई एम गेट बैक माई होम, तो या तो होगा कि आई गॉट बैक माई होम, मैं घर वापस आ गई, तो ये होना चाहिए आई गॉट बैक माई होम. दे आर डेटिंग ईच अदर फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, वो सुपरवाइजर वो लंबे समय से डेट कर रहे थे, तो होना चाहिए था कि दे हैड बीन डेटिंग ईच अदर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. दे हैड बीन ना कर रहे थे लंबे समय से. बस यही है, और बस यही इतना ही था. ठीक है गाइस, तो ये प्रोग्राम आपका हो गया.
सर इसमें कंडीशनल सेकंड यूज होगा कि कंडीशनल थर्ड यूज होगा?
अगर वो पढ़ी लिखी होती,
अगर
हाँ, तो ये तो हम इमेजिनेशन अभी कर रहे हैं, प्रेजेंट में तो शी वॉज ही होगा, या शी वर कर दो. ग्रामर तो वर कहता है, स्पोकन में वॉज लगा सकते हो. इफ शी वॉज एजुकेटेड शी वुड नॉट स्टार्ट इन दिस काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस. Fine guys, so it was your chain speaking. Thank you very much for doing the chain speaking. Thank you.